I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Garmin Fenix 6 Pro. To begin, power on your device by holding the top left button for about 2 seconds. You'll navigate through all the menus using the 5-button layout, with 3 buttons on the left side and 2 on the right. From the watch face, hold the top left button for 2 seconds to access the control menu. Use the top right button to confirm selections and the bottom right button to go back. To track an activity, simply press the top right button from your watch face. Scroll through the list to select your desired activity, whether it's running, cycling, or swimming. For outdoor activities, always wait for the GPS signal to turn green, ensuring precise data collection. Once finished, press the top right button again and choose to either save or discard your activity. Personalize your Fenix 6 Pro by holding the middle left button to access the watch face menu. Here, you can select from numerous pre-installed designs or download new ones to suit your style. During activities, customize your data fields to display essential metrics like heart rate, pace, or distance. You can also fine-tune settings for alerts, connected sensors, and general preferences through the main menu for an optimized experience. Your Fenix 6 Pro offers comprehensive health monitoring, continuously tracking your heart rate and analyzing your sleep patterns, including light, deep, and REM stages. Stay connected with smart notifications from your paired smartphone, delivered right to your wrist. Plus, enjoy the convenience of Garmin Pay for contactless payments and store up to 2,000 songs directly on your device for phone-free listening during workouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.